there, this is Irene from Adroit Architecture. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to our channel. If you're new to our channel, karibuni sana, and if you're an oldie, welcome back. Kindly consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't and you like our content. That is the best way you can support us. And in return, we bring to you amazing content in construction and project management absolutely free. We are thrilled about today's video because we've got something special for you. We often receive requests for unique projects, and one of the most popular requests lately has been for holiday cottages. So if you own a piece of land in a holiday destination and are looking for beautifully designed cottages, this video is just what you need. We bring to you today the Imara Cottages, a set of 6 modern cottages designed in 2 blocks. Each block has a total of 3 cottages. This project is all about balance, comfort, functionality, and style. Let's take a look at the key features of the Imara Cottages. Number 1, 6 one-bedroom units. As I mentioned earlier, you have 2 blocks, each housing 3 charming cottages. These units are perfect for a cozy holiday experience with privacy and luxury built into each unit. Number 2, a children's play area. You have a dedicated space for the little ones to enjoy themselves while staying active and entertained. Every parent is on the lookout for this when selecting a holiday home. Number 3, outdoor chill area. This sits right next to the play area. It is perfect for guests looking to relax, and it is equipped with spacious umbrella chairs that offer shade for reading, napping, or enjoying the scenery while still being close to the children if you have any. Number 4, an inviting swimming pool. Nothing says holiday like a beautiful swimming pool. This one comes with a semi-covered patio where you have your sunbeds. This is perfect for sunbathing and soaking up the tropical sun. Around the pool, there are seating arrangements where guests can dine or relax in between dips in the water. Number 5, a restaurant. Don't feel like cooking in your cottage? No problem. A restaurant on site means you can either dine out or have meals delivered directly to your unit. Let's face it, when you're on holiday, you don't want to slave in the kitchen all the time. Number 6, covered parking. There are sheltered parking spaces that can accommodate up to 4 cars. You also have additional parking areas alongside each block. And finally, number 7, a gatehouse. This property is securely fenced with an entrance gate that has the gatehouse providing security and controlling access in and out. Let's take a look at the cottages. Each cottage is designed with both functionality and relaxation in mind. Here is a peek into the layout. You have the entrance porch that ushers you into the cottage. You have an open plan living room and kitchen. The kitchen runs along one wall, offering ample storage and workspace, while the living area is spacious and comfortable. You can even set up a small cozy dining area in one corner. The bedroom is designed to fit a double bed and includes enough closet space. Sliding doors lead from the bedroom to a private back patio, offering you a secluded outdoor seating area. A well-sized bathroom is conveniently located next to the bedroom with cozy, functional interiors. Each cottage gives you a total of 50 square meters, and each cottage has a plinth dimension of 6 meters by 9.3 meters. For each block, giving you 3 units, the plinth dimension is 17.5 meters by 9.3 meters. To ensure that you have plenty of outdoor space for your amenities like the swimming pool, the restaurant, the play areas, and everything else, we recommend that you have at least a 1/4 acre piece of land to construct this project successfully and comfortably. The estimated construction cost for the Imara Cottages as of September 2024 is approximately 20 million. We base this estimate on the latest construction cost handbook by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. Please remember that these are estimate figures and a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction. This is a good budget to, however, have in mind. We hope you love the design of the Imara Cottages as much as we do. If you're considering building holiday cottages on your land, this project could be exactly what you need. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions and you are interested in more details. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting projects from Adroit Architecture.